Hey everyone! Welcome back to English with LS50. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Thanks for joining us again. Today, we're going to talk about something simple, our daily lives.
Yes, a calm and cozy conversation. We'll share how our typical day looks from morning to night.
Exactly. It's going to be a nice way to practice English about everyday routines.
So Jack, let's start with your morning. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m., but sometimes if I go to bed late, I get up at 7:30. What about you?
I wake up a bit earlier, around 6:30. I like mornings. They're quiet, and I can have time for myself.
That sounds peaceful. What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I drink a glass of water, then I open my window to get some fresh air. After that, I make coffee. I can't start my day without coffee.
I totally understand. I love coffee too. I usually drink black coffee while checking my phone. News, emails, messages.
Oh, you check your phone first? I try not to. It makes my mind too busy early in the morning.
That's true. Maybe I should wait a bit before looking at my phone.
Yes, try it for 1 week. It really helps.
Good idea. So after coffee, do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I like a light breakfast. Usually toast with peanut butter or sometimes oatmeal with banana.
That sounds healthy. I usually eat eggs and bread and maybe some fruit.
Nice. Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes, if I have time, I go for a short run or do stretching. But to be honest, I skip it many days.
Don't worry. I think that happens to everyone.
Yeah, true. So after breakfast, I take a shower, get dressed, and start working around 9 a.m.
And what kind of work do you do in the morning?
I work from home, so I start by answering emails and planning my day. I like to finish the most difficult tasks before lunch.
That's smart. I do something similar. In the morning, I record podcast episodes or edit videos for our channel.
Oh yes, our English with LS50 community is growing so fast.
Yes, it's amazing. We get messages from people all over the world, from Morocco, Brazil, Japan.
It's so nice to know that people are learning English through simple, friendly conversations like this one.
Exactly. It feels like we're all sharing a coffee and talking together.
I like that feeling too. It makes learning English fun and human.
All right, we talked about the morning. After this short break, we'll continue with our afternoon routines. Welcome back, everyone. We're still talking about daily life. In the first part, we talked about mornings. Now, let's move to the afternoon.
Yes, after a busy morning, I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock.
Oh, same here. What do you normally eat for lunch?
It depends. If I'm at home, I like to cook something simple, maybe rice with vegetables or pasta with chicken.
That sounds nice. Do you enjoy cooking?
I don't love it, but I don't hate it either. I like it when I have time. But when I'm busy, I just make a sandwich.
I know that feeling. Sometimes I also eat something quick, like salad or soup.
Yes, easy and fast. What about after lunch? Do you take a break?
I try to. I make some tea and sit on my balcony. I don't use my phone. I just breathe and relax.
That's a healthy habit. I think more people need to do that. Just stop for a few minutes and rest.
Exactly. Even 5 or 10 minutes can make a big difference.
After lunch, I usually continue working until 5 p.m. Sometimes I have online meetings or I write reports.
Do you get tired in the afternoon?
Oh yes. Around 3 p.m., I always feel sleepy.
Same here. That's the hardest time of the day for me, too.
I usually make another cup of coffee then. It helps me stay awake.
Coffee to the rescue.
Exactly. What do you do in the afternoon, Emma?
After lunch, I usually check my emails, reply to comments from our listeners, and sometimes prepare topics for the next podcast.
Oh, so that's why our episodes always feel so organized.
Thanks, Jack. I enjoy planning. I think it helps me stay focused.
That's great. For me, afternoons are about finishing what I started in the morning. I try to complete all my important work before evening.
That's a good strategy. I also tried to finish everything before dinner so I can relax later.
Right. By the way, do you ever go out in the afternoon?
Sometimes, if the weather is nice, I go for a short walk. I put on my headphones and listen to soft music or an audiobook.
That sounds wonderful. I should do that too. I often stay at my desk for too long.
Yes, that happens to many people who work from home. It's good to move your body and get some sunlight.
You're absolutely right. Maybe I'll try walking after lunch tomorrow.
You should. It helps with focus and energy.
All right, deal. So that's our afternoon. Calm, simple, but productive.
Yes. After this short break, we'll talk about how we spend our evenings. Time to relax, eat dinner, and prepare for tomorrow. Welcome back, dear listeners. We've talked about our mornings and afternoons, and now it's time for my favorite part of the day, the evening.
Ah, yes, the time to slow down and relax after a long day. So, Emma, what's your evening like?
Well, I usually finish my work around 6 p.m., then I take a short walk to clear my mind. Sometimes I listen to podcasts, sometimes I just enjoy the quiet.
That sounds peaceful. I also finish work around 6, but I usually go to the gym after that.
Oh, nice. You're more active than me. I prefer gentle stretching or yoga at home.
That's good too. It helps your body relax.
Yes, and it helps me sleep better. After that, I take a shower, then prepare dinner.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
Something light, maybe grilled vegetables, soup, or rice with fish. I don't like eating too much at night.
That's smart. I usually eat later, around 8 o'clock. Sometimes I cook, but honestly, sometimes I just order food.
I understand. Cooking every day can be tiring. What's your favorite dinner to order?
Probably pizza or sushi. I know, not the healthiest choices.
It's okay to enjoy food sometimes. Balance is the key.
Exactly. After dinner, I usually watch something on Netflix. It helps me relax.
What kind of shows do you like?
Mostly documentaries or light comedies. I don't like very dramatic or sad shows at night.
Same here. I like watching something positive before bed. It helps me sleep with a calm mind.
Yeah, I agree. Do you read books in the evening?
Yes, I love reading before sleeping. Even if it's just for 15 minutes, it makes me feel peaceful.
That's a good habit. I sometimes read too, but I often end up scrolling on my phone instead.
That happens to everyone. But I try to keep my phone away 1 hour before bed.
Wow, really? That's impressive.
Yes, I turn off notifications and I don't check messages until the next morning.
That's very healthy. I should try that.
You'll see a big difference in your sleep. When I do that, I sleep more deeply and wake up happier.
Good advice, Emma. So, what time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m., I try to sleep early.
I go to bed around 11 or 11:30, but sometimes I stay up late watching videos.
I think everyone does that sometimes.
True. So, to sum up, evenings are for relaxing, enjoying dinner, and preparing for tomorrow.
Exactly. It's the time to slow down and take care of yourself.
I like that message. Slow down and take care of yourself. Simple, but powerful.
Yes, and that's what we hope our listeners remember too.
All right, after this short break, we'll finish with a small reflection about life and balance. A nice way to close today's episode.
Welcome back, everyone. To end today's episode, we thought it would be nice to talk about something a bit deeper: balance in life.
Yes, because we all have busy days. We work, study, run from one thing to another, but sometimes we forget to ask, am I really living or just rushing?
That's so true. Many people feel tired all the time, not because they work too much, but because they never stop to rest or breathe.
Exactly. I've learned that small breaks make a big difference. Even a short walk, a cup of tea, or just sitting in silence for 5 minutes.
Yes, and I think balance doesn't mean doing everything perfectly. It means knowing when to stop and when to start again.
That's a good way to say it. For example, I used to work late every night. I thought being busy meant being successful, but I was wrong.
What changed your mind?
One day, I realized I was always tired, even on weekends. I didn't enjoy anything anymore. So I started organizing my time better. I made space for rest, friends, and hobbies.
That's wonderful. And did it help?
Yes, a lot. I feel more creative and more focused now. Sometimes doing less helps you do better.
I love that. Doing less, but better.
What about you, Emma? What helps you stay balanced?
For me, it's gratitude. Every night before bed, I think of 3 things I'm thankful for. Even small things, like a nice message or a beautiful sunset.
That's beautiful. Gratitude changes how we see life.
Yes, because when we focus on what's good, we feel lighter. We stop comparing ourselves to others.
That's a big problem today, right? People see perfect lives on social media and feel like their own life isn't good enough.
Exactly. But real life is not perfect. It's made of small, simple moments. Breakfast with family, laughter with friends, a quiet evening at home.
Yes, and that's what makes life meaningful.
Right. So if our listeners take one thing from today's episode, I hope it's this: slow down, breathe, and enjoy your simple day.
That's a wonderful message. English with LS50 isn't just about learning English, it's also about learning how to live calmly and happily.
Exactly. Language connects us, but peace and kindness keep us connected.
Beautifully said, Emma.
Thank you, Jack, and thank you everyone for listening to us today.
We hope this episode helps you learn new words and maybe also reminds you to take better care of yourself.
Yes, and remember, progress takes time. Be patient with your English and with your life too.
Perfect ending. See you all next week for another cozy conversation here on English with LS50.
Take care, everyone. Stay calm, stay kind, and keep learning. Welcome back, everyone. This is our final part of today's episode.
Yes, we have talked about mornings, afternoons, evenings, and also about balance in life.
I hope you enjoyed it and that it helped you practice your English. Remember, English is easier when we talk about things we do every day.
Exactly. We learned words for meals, routines, drinks, and feelings. Words like relax, coffee, tea, walk, lunch, dinner.
Tired, happy.
Yes, and also words about feelings and life. Peaceful, calm, grateful, balance.
So, listeners, you can try to use these words in your own day. For example, I feel happy after breakfast, or I take a walk to feel calm.
Yes, small sentences every day help a lot.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. English is about trying, learning, and enjoying the process.
Exactly. We all start small, and step by step, we improve.
So, here's a little practice for our listeners. You can try to answer these questions in English.
Yes. First question, what time do you wake up?
Second question, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
And the last one, what do you do to relax in the evening?
You can write your answers, say them out loud, or even share them with a friend. Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. And remember, it's okay if your sentences are short. Even short sentences help you improve.
Yes, and one more tip. Try to think in English during your day. For example, when you make coffee, you can say in your mind, I pour coffee into my cup. I add milk. I stir.
That's a great idea. Thinking in English is like exercising your brain.
Yes, it helps you become more fluent and confident.
So, dear listeners, thank you for spending this calm and cozy time with us.
Yes, thank you. We hope you learned something new and also enjoyed our chat about daily life.
And if you liked this episode, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, and leave a comment below. Tell us, what did you do today? Or what are your plans for tomorrow?
We love reading your comments and answering your questions.
Exactly. And remember, learning English is fun when it's part of your daily life.
Yes, enjoy your meals, enjoy your walks, enjoy your coffee, and enjoy learning English.
And finally, take care of yourself. Slow down sometimes, breathe, and be grateful for small things.
Perfect. That's our message for today. Simple words, simple life, simple happiness.
Thank you, everyone. We will see you next week for another friendly and calm conversation here on English with LS50.
Bye-bye. Stay happy and keep practicing English.
Bye. Take care.